We are always trying to turn back the hands of time. So any little thing we can do to improve our appearance and stay youthful and young looking, sign me up. We have invited Dr. Adam Scheiner today to talk to us about a procedure that he has built upon and has really become one of the first in the cosmetic realm to do anything like. Hey, Dr. Scheiner, how are you?
I'm doing great. Nice to see you.
Good to see you. So you have been a cosmetic surgeon here in Florida for 25 years. You're great at lasers. You're great at under eyes. You basically do it all. But talk to me about this new procedure that you've really just kind of boosted. So are we talking about the skin above the eye here up into the eyebrow, or where exactly?
Sure. The skin from the eyelid to the eyebrow, all that becomes brand new baby smooth skin. The Better Blepharoplasty stands out kind of in two ways. Conventional blepharoplasty uses a scalpel, and what we use is a laser. And the laser is nice in that it results in less bruising and pain for the patients. I can basically tighten, smooth the remaining skin. I can eliminate wrinkles and give a more youthful and refreshed appearance.
How many years would you say the average person could, change with doing something like that?
We've actually seen that patients have commented they feel decades younger. I've had some interesting stories, I know, where patients have actually gone out socially to bars and the bartenders have actually carded them because they thought they were underage.
I feel like that can be no better compliment to you than that.
Thank you.
About downtime, because a lot of these procedures, like you mentioned before, they have the scalpel. You're doing this strictly with laser. So how does that compare with downtime and recovery?
Sure. It can take up 10 to 14 days for most patients for initial healing, and it's a few months for full healing. But we have new technology that we're using that's actually sped up the healing for patients.
What are some of the risks involved?
Yeah, with surgery, there are always some risks, bruising and swelling of some of them, but using a laser instead of a scalpel helps reduce bleeding, and that really makes the procedure safer.
This is a very sought out procedure for women and men alike. What's the estimated cost?
The procedures range. We have procedures that are as low as $5,000 and $6,000, some that are $40,000 to $50,000. So the best thing is come in for the complimentary consult where we can really give a specialized, quote to each patient.
Dr. Scheiner, celebrities are also among those folks who are seeking out these procedures to make themselves look younger and feel younger. Just, you want to look how you feel, which there's no fault in that, obviously. One of the celebrities that have kind of, raised eyebrows, not to play on that, but really raised eyebrows was the housewife, Tamara Judge. She recently had an upper eyelid surgery. You did not treat her, but have you seen her photos and her videos? Because a lot of people were, taking to social media to talk about her aftermath, and just, her face looked very startling.
Yeah, I did see her photos. Actually, I think the fact that she was showing her image right early in the process was a little more shocking, but then I saw her photos afterwards, and it looks like a really normal recovery for people, to be honest. I think she's going to do great.
She looks stunning right now already, but I would say those first 3 days, it was like, whoa.
Yeah, well, we often say there's no such thing as a free lunch, right? You have to go through some recovery initially to get the better results.
And is that kind of a synopsis of what it would look like for the Better Blepharoplasty?
Not as extreme as that. It's really important to have realistic expectations. Eyelid surgery can significantly enhance appearance, but it's not about achieving perfection. The goal is to rejuvenate in a way that reflects how a person feels inside. Whether a person's a celebrity or not, every patient seeks the same thing, to look as vibrant as they feel inside. Ultimately, it's about helping a person feel confident and aligned with their true self, regardless of their age or status.
Dr. Scheiner, where do folks get a hold of you if they want more information, or maybe even to seek out getting a procedure with you?
Yeah, absolutely. The best thing is usually our website, which is adamscheinermd.com. They can call us too at 813-367-1915.